Hey guys, Nick Drossos. So we got a question from Vincent. How do I break someone's grip when they grab your clothes? So grab me, Pat. When somebody grabs you, to me, as soon as somebody grabs you, to me, that is the line of you gotta strike them as quickly as possible. Once the person's made physical contact with you, what we like to teach is you have the right to defend yourself. The instant you grab my hands, grab my shirts, right? I'm striking you. There's also a lot of advantages and disadvantages. Yeah, you grab my shirt, which means one hand is doing this, which is not doing much, and both my hands are free. But if he knows how to use his range, and he knows how to, if he has a weapon, and he has a knife, and he starts stabbing, the fact that he grabbed me makes it a lot harder. This is why, rule of thumb, grab me, Pat. If he grabs you, it's a boom, you strike him. Or even better, grab me, Pat, never let the person grab you. Right? Never let him grab you here, grab you there. The instant he grabs you, you intercept and you strike, or if he does grab you, you strike him as quickly as possible. Now grab me, Pat, any single way. So he grabbed me here. Now, there's people who teach shit like that, but what we like to do code red defense is, okay, so grab me. What's faster? This or this? It's all about keeping it simple, right? We're not teaching a lot of material. You could learn everything we're teaching in a matter of 3 months, but then it's training the shit out of it. I always say the idea is you want to learn less and train more. I don't want to teach you guys, grab me tight, tight. Like, grab me for real. This shit won't work. This shit, yeah, it's gonna work, but am I gonna go one and try to break the lock? No, the guy grabs me, I'm here, boom, I'm striking him to the throat. I'm right away going into strikes immediately. I'm not gonna waste my time trying to let go and try to twist and wrestle, try to grab a wrist and turn to try to get out of a lock. Always think what's the straightest point to your attack. One of our principles is aim big and hit big. Grab me. Yeah, you can tell me, oh, punch his knuckles here. My hand's here. Why am I going to do this? Boom, I'm going to pop him in the face. Keep it simple, guys. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Again, I train almost every day. And when I do my strikes, I don't train a lot of strikes. Like palm strikes, elbows, knee, hammer fist, shots to the shots to the throat, some eye gouging, some shoulder pop, bicep pop. Like, I'm not learning 50 strikes, and even in those, I'm mostly always sticking to the 5 most basic strikes, and the rest are just extra here and there. But those 5 solid strikes, if you know how to throw a solid palm strike, a good elbow, a good hammer fist, a solid knee, you should be able to finish the fight in that close quarter, right? If you also know how to aim for the eyes or strike the throat, you don't need to go crazy and keep learning a new strike to make it interesting. Learn less and train more. Do it over and over and over again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.